Central Alhaji, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour. The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Cherokee County in north-central Georgia, DeKalb County in north-central Georgia, Fayette County in north-central Georgia, Forsyth County in north-central Georgia, Eastern Cobb County in north-central Georgia, Eastern Douglas County in north-central Georgia, Western Gwinnett County in north-central Georgia, Northern Coweta County in west-central Georgia, Clayton County in north-central Georgia, Fulton County in north-central Georgia, until 8:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 8:04 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near George Washington Carver State Park to near Douglasville to Central Alhaji, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Atlanta, Marietta, Union, Douglasville, Canton, Decatur, Fayetteville, Cumming, Jonesboro, Peachtree Corners, City of South Fulton, Sandy Springs, Roswell, Johns Creek, Alpharetta, Smyrna, Dunwoody, Peachtree City, East Point, and Milton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail and flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for Paulding, southwestern Cherokee, Carroll, western Cobb, Douglas, northern Heard, northwestern Coweta, and Bartow counties. At 7:58 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the...
Guys, this is only round number 1. We got more severe weather coming today. Today might be a handful. Today's a marginal risk. Let's see what happens.